Hey, what's up guys? So welcome back to my channel. Today I plan on being productive. It's almost 10 a.m. in the morning, but I already washed the truck, looking pretty fresh, clean. And so today what I'm gonna end up doing is actually updating. Well, first of all, I need to tell y'all about this. So this morning, going to Starbucks, as you all know, I just did a CCV reroute. And so I have the hose directly underneath the driver's door. There was this girl taking orders, and as I pulled up my CCV reroute, that hose, that smoke was just getting all in her face. I was like, shit. So that was fail number one, and you can smell it now. It is a distinct smell. All right, so I pulled up to the actual window. Same thing happened. That smoke, the smell was just leaking into the sliding doors where they're passing the food or drinks from. You can just see the smoke just start seeping inside the store, and I was like, okay, I need to make a change real quick, just because I'm pretty sure other people wouldn't appreciate that. So I'm gonna go ahead, go get some hose today. Who knows how I'm gonna reroute it. Once I get the hose, I'll figure it out. All right, so another thing that I'm doing today is upgrading my Sync 3.0 system to a Sync 3.4. And all I'm doing is just using Colt's Wave video. He describes it well. It's working as it should upstairs. Right now it's taken a while because I've nav, but it's been at least maybe an hour and 15 minutes so far. So I wouldn't be surprised if it takes two and a half, whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna let that finish, but just throw it into the truck today. So no big deal. Once that's done, I'll go ahead and show you. So hopefully nothing glitches out for me. Shout out to that channel, Bro Sweet channel. Love every video of it. I got the ring notification for you. All right, quick side note. If you're not a follower on my Instagram page, I use my IG name right here. Go ahead, follow that. In the IG, I posted a poll on if I should keep this grill guard on or off. It's been on for quite some time. Haven't hit a deer yet. I'm probably gonna hit one right after I take it off if I do, but give me your feedback on if I should remove this and just roll with no grill guard. Okay, so I got the USB. Everything took place. I think it was roughly 2 hours. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, that's what you can expect for nav. All right, so all I need to do, turn it on. Check this out. All right, Colt just said to plug it straight in. Puppy's in there. See what it does. It says updating software, restarting system. Cool. All right. This is where we don't touch anything. I'll let it do its thing. All right, we're gonna let it do its thing and then come back once it's done. All right guys, so it just finished. I would say 28 minutes. This is with nav, so that's what you can expect, how long it would take. All right, so what it says, update successful, please remove USB. Cool. Yeah, 28 minutes wasn't that bad. Just expect that you're gonna have to idle for that amount of time. All right, and then it should do his own thing. Yeah, there we go. Give it a couple minutes. Pretty cool. My wife has the same Sync 3.4 system on her 2020 Expedition. So let me see, location and vehicle. Appreciate it, Colt. Your video was a banger, bro. Yeah, not too bad of a process. I've been wanting to do this for the longest time. Like the longest of times I've been wanting to do this update. It was so simple, but the one thing that kept me from doing this was my Forescan updates. So all the updates that I've done on through Forescan, I was like, all right, do I need to do something before so I don't mess up the system, things like that. Anyways, I just said screw it and hope that I was doing the Lord's work. No issues. Yeah, it sure is. So I'm gonna play with this. Looks pretty cool, pretty excited. Now, if only I had that 2022 screen. If you're not a follower on my Instagram, go ahead and follow me. I'll put my username, I'll put my name right here. But I did post a poll. If you didn't participate in that poll or don't have an IG, post down below if I should remove my grill guard. I'm debating getting rid of that or keeping it on. The poll on Instagram showed 60 to remove it and 40% to keep it. So yeah, I was not expecting that result. But guys, let me know if you have any comments, questions, post them down below. But until next time, which will be fairly soon, I'm going to do another video probably tomorrow, why I took my truck to the dealership just last week. So I'm going to give you the quick rundown on that. Some parts are ordered and the warranty is taking care of this. So I'm going to come back with another video and tell y'all all about that. But until next time, see y'all.